In 2026, people will make New Year's resolutions. As someone who did everything within her power to change for the better in 2025, this is what I've learned. If you truly decide to change and you meant it, it won't be easy. It will feel like dying. And honestly, in a way it is. The old version of you has to die. The lazy version. The procrastinating version. The version of you that doesn't do what it says it will do. That old version of you has to die to make space for the new one. It will be hard, it will be painful, but that doesn't mean you should stop. After trying so many things in 2025, one thing I can attest is this. The beginning is always the hardest. So now, whenever I'm learning something new or pushing myself and I feel that struggle, I just remind myself, this is what growth feels like. And I'm becoming the person I want to be.